So, my name is Pangala. I'm making this and I will show my project. Without hard work, we cannot make. This is bun and this is ox. Where our forefathers are living, they make house with bamboos and clays. And this is where they drink wine pong. This all are here plates, and these all are weapons where they fight with enemies. Okay.
So is this a Naga house? Which tribe house is this?
So
The house. Oh, okay. Lovely. Very nice.
Very pretty.
Nice.
You can go and follow. In search of the mic, yeah, go on pulling.
Good morning to you all. I, Sarah of class 7, participating art and craft exhibition.